Yo, what's up guys? This is the Whadafunk Stories vlog, and on this episode, we're getting the order ready of brand new Whadafunk hats that are going into ZUMIEZ. This is how the process goes. We're going to show you guys the entire process of packing the order, getting everything ready to ship out to ZUMIEZ, and eventually they'll be in stores. So we filmed this 3 months in advance. You're seeing this now, but this was filmed 3 months ago. We're living in the future. This is what's going down. I'm going to show you guys the entire process, and I'm excited to show you guys this. This right here is the process of us unboxing the packaging from the warehouse who creates all of our hats. We can't create all the hats ourselves, so we have to get them outsourced. There's just way too many for us to make ourselves at this point in time, until we maybe in the future are able to do them ourselves. We're not sure yet till we get to that point. This is us just unboxing everything. We have to take everything out of the boxes. Wow, look at that Whadafunk hat. This is the new Whadafunk hat. Look how sexy that hat is. It's amazing. This is me, John G, looking at the hat. Okay, quality check. Looks good. I like it. Wow, look at all those hats all lined up. Close up. Close up. Check that out. This is A&T. He is doing a little quality control check, going through each hat. We go through each hat, make sure everything is nice and perfect the way we like it. This is what we do on each order that we get, and we go through each hat individually, quality check each one, make sure everything is correct and we're happy with everything before it's sent out to the stores. This is probably the longest process, is going through each one individually and taking a look at each one of them. And here I come, John G, I'm in here. It's my turn to check out all the hats. Going through each one individually, same way A&T was. And it's all about multitasking. I'm over here having a conversation, working as usual, and probably politicking on the next moves as usual. Or maybe watching a movie, who knows? But that's just what we do. We have to multitask. Going through each one. And there's a lot of hats to go through. I'll tell you that right now. Here's another look at all the hats. All the empty boxes. Here's the studio. Studio is packed. Packed to the brim. Alright, here we got the hang tags. So we gotta separate the hang tags. This is the ZUMIEZ hang tags that they use for their stores. And we also add our hang tag to each hat. So we're going through it right here.
No robots here. Although we wish we had them.
Don't worry, Bezos, I'm coming for you.
Who?
Bezos.
Who's that?
Jeff Bezos.
Oh, Jeff Bezos? Yeah, we're gonna have mad robots here. It's just gonna be like robot there, robot there.
Sex robot.
That's crazy. You just like put a quarter in each spot.
These hats are gonna be $28.95, only available at ZUMIEZ because these are exclusives. And shout out to everyone who supports. So here we are, just counting everything up, getting everything ready. You just gotta do everything nice and slow and make sure everything's accurate. Also, this is the first time we're doing a voiceover video, so I just wanted to let you guys know that as well. Hope you guys like this style of video. If you do, leave a comment and leave a thumbs up and a peace sign, so I know you actually seen this. Just doing our thing. Here's how it works. This is our hang tag gun. Pop it right in. You put the ZUMIEZ hang tag on the front, our hang tag on the back, and this is how you're going to see them in the stores when you go to the store or order them online. They're going to come just like this, and I love to show you guys this process so you can see what it's done behind the scenes of our brand. It takes a lot of work to get everything into these stores. We do it ourselves, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and
I hope you guys enjoy the process of us doing it, and I love to show you guys the behind the scenes so you can understand how hard we work to get our stuff into ZUMIEZ and out there into the world for you guys to wear it. So it's really exciting for when you guys wear stuff, wear Whadafunk. It's really exciting for us when you do that. So here's another angle of us hang tagging the hats. And it's a lot of hats, so it takes a long time. So that's why we're showing you what has to be done. There I am making some content. So you guys probably see this content in the future. This is how it's got to be done. Making content while you're making content. A double content whammy. Wide angle shot of the studio. Here's another angle of us tagging the hats. Yeah, there's a lot of hats to do. This is the process. It takes a long time, but it's worth it because seeing you guys wearing Whadafunk makes it all worth it for us. Alright, here's A&T making our boxes. The boxes require specific dimensions, and here we are creating those dimensions to fit the hats perfectly. Gotta set up the hats and make them fit perfectly in those boxes. This is part of the process as well. And some may wonder why we wouldn't buy boxes that are just the right dimensions, but the dimensions are very specific, and unfortunately cannot find boxes with those specific dimensions. And it's just easier to create boxes with the ones that we already have. So why not, right? Everything DIY, that's how we do it. And you're seeing that in this video right here. So that's what's going on right now. Now the boxes are made and we're putting all the hats in the boxes all nice and neatly, making sure they don't get crushed. Alright guys, this is the last step of the process. Putting the labeling on the boxes. Heading out to ZUMIEZ. That's the next step. But the boxes are all packed up, ready to go. Ready to send out. This is the last step.
Alright guys, so we just finished packing all the Whadafunk hats to go into ZUMIEZ. Showed you guys the entire process, start to finish, how we pack them and get them ready to go. And they should be in ZUMIEZ by the time you guys probably see this video. And you could go to your local store and go grab a Whadafunk hat. Or you could go online, type in Whadafunk at ZUMIEZ.com, and you could go get this skull speech bubble dad hat. This is only available at ZUMIEZ, and this is the only place you could get it. So shout to ZUMIEZ. Thank you guys for all the support. As always, grab this hat. This is a limited edition Whadafunk hat that's only available there and never to be released again. So go grab that hat, and thank you for supporting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Thanks again for all the support, and peace out.